Hello, my name is Scott with Top Realtors Resource, and today I'm going to take you through 99 designs. I'm going to give you a quick tour and how to get started and how to set up your own design contest. And more importantly, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to maximizing your results using 99 designs and really taking advantage of everything it has to offer. So we're going to start out here. My example today is going to be on a logo design. So I'm going to take you through the logo design process here. So we're going to kind of check it out. They have some really neat designs here for you to take a look at. And so you guys know, just give you a little brief introduction to 99 Designs. You know, what makes it such a powerful website is they found a way to hold a contest, and opposed to having a single designer create 6 to 10 logos for you. You choose the logo, you revise it, you modify it. They've created a way where you can have up to 10, 20, 30, up to 100 designers submitting logos for your product and for your project. It's brilliant, and I've used it on several logos. I've used it on websites. Actually, the website for Top Realtors Resource, I had that designed on 99 Designs, and you know, it's an amazing tool, and what you get out of it is just, it blows me away. So that's what I'm sharing today. So now getting to it, we're going to go to Get Started, and this is where you're going to input all your information. My logo design is Top Realtors Resource. That's the logo I need designed. Do you have any slogan? I do not have a slogan currently, but I want to have incorporated in my design. So that's very important to note that. Secondly, you're going to want to describe your organization, your product. More importantly, you know, describe your target audience, your target market, who you want this logo to appeal to. That's very important. Make sure these designers know. They are professionals. They design logos for a living. It's very important to communicate that to them. And most of the designers on here, I'd say a majority of them are from overseas. And there are some American designers as well. But you need to make sure you're not using slang. You're very direct in everything you write. As far as your description, when you're communicating with them, be very direct, because the English is not as strong as an American designer here. So you have to take that into consideration when you're conversing back and forth. Select your industry. So mine is real estate. So we're going to come down here. We're going to select real estate. You're going to select the types of logos. Do you want a pictorial? Do you want abstract? Do you want to look more modern, like more of a Web 2.0, like a LinkedIn or a Twitter? That's all for you to choose and to select. Do you have an example of a logo that you like? This is where you're going to upload a JPEG of another logo that maybe you want to emulate, or something that's caught your eye about it. This is where you want to share that with designers. They're all going to view these logos, and they're going to probably replicate their style. So it's very important. You know, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, especially in logos, in logo design. There's so many things that you and I don't know about logos that these guys can catch on to really quick. They're professionals. They're good. Give them as much information as you can, okay? And here's just some brief, you know, you kind of table it out. Do you want it young or mature? Do you want it luxury or economical? Do you want it playful or serious? You know, you kind of let the designers know what you want them to know. It's pretty simple. And then you communicate the colors. You know, for me, I want to stick with, you know, blue. I want blue and white. So that's what I'd like to do. Blue and white, my logo. And I think I have some black in there too. So those are my main colors. Where would you put the logo? Mainly online. I will do some print as well. Check business card design. No, you can do that after. You don't need to pay them $150 to do that. That's not necessary, so don't waste your money. So, and then if you have anything else, like if anything you've sketched up, or if you have anything else you want to share with the designers, this is a place to do it. If you have some wild idea, like this is where I share an idea for my bookshelf. Let me show you. I actually had a website. Um, this is before the site's even completed. By now it's completed, and you're seeing it. This is in the infancy stages, but this is where I shared this idea for a kind of like a desktop, and I wanted to have, kind of like I want to kind of have it as your top realtor's resource, where they have books, SEO products, real estate marketing. They have everything that a successful real estate agent would need. And on the other side, you have a computer that has everything you need. It's hand in hand, and that was my idea, and that's where I relayed that message. I'll show you guys that in a little bit, but this is where I did that. So it's very important. If you have an idea you want to share with them, you want them to work on, be sure to share it right here. This is the spot for it. Okay, so we'll go to next. The other thing, so for a logo contest especially, you don't need to do silver, gold packages. I'm going to share with you a trick that is going to get you more than 60 designers. Probably, I'm not going to overstate that. I'd say at least 60, maybe more. And 60 designers is a lot. That's 60 individuals submitting designs for your one contest. That's quite impressive. And I'm going to show you a trick to do that without having to spend $499 and doing the bronze package. So you don't need to do all this upselling. This is unnecessary. You don't need to do all this. The one thing you need to do is you need to guarantee your contest. This is a must-have. The way 99 Designs is set up is you can run a contest, and if you're not satisfied with the result, you don't have to go through with it. You can pull the plug at any time and say, I'm done with this contest. I did not receive the product that I was searching for. I don't want to pay your $299. And you can cancel at any time. Now, the drawback to that is you're not attracting these high-quality designers. Like, put yourself in their shoes. If you were to invest time in going after a contest, you're going to want to make sure. These guys spend hours on your project, on your logo designs. They spend hours at a time per contest. They want to know for sure that you're going to pay the winner. And if you're not willing to do that, to make that commitment, the best designers aren't going to waste their time with your contest. They're going to go on to the next guy. So the first thing you want to do is make it a guaranteed contest. I don't know why, unless you need a rush in 3 days, that's your call. But I think more time the better, to give these guys time to do what they do best and let them design. Going to the next stage, and actually that takes me back. We're going to edit the title of the contest. And I'm going to show you actually a contest that I have currently going on right now. And this is for this is my current contest right now that's going on. I'm going to take you more into this into the next video, but this is my title. And this is what I want you guys to put in yours. I want you to put the name of your product. You're going to follow it up with guaranteed in caps. So every designer that looks at your contest knows this is guaranteed. Somebody's guaranteed to get paid out. And also, you're going to add on $50, okay? And the reason being, remember when you saw the gold, silver, bronze packages? So the reason being, you're doing the bronze package, which is the bottom of the barrel, okay? Now that's okay. That's fine to do it. But here's the other thing. If you add on $50, designers are more inclined to do your contest over any other bronze package. And that is really the key that I've found to attracting the best designers and to find the most designs, the most designers to submit the most designs to your contest. So let me just show you really quick. Look, I just started my contest. I'm on the 4th day, and I have 250 entries. And let me just go into this really quick. I have over 60 designers. I have 70 designers. I was just on here a few minutes ago, and I have over 70 designers submitting designs, and I'm not even to the next stage yet. So I just want to share how powerful that is. And most designs you're going to see, like most projects you're going to see, or excuse me, contests, they're going to have like 30 designers at the most, 20 to 30. I mean, we're talking double that for 50 bucks. I mean, talk about bang for your buck. There you go. I just wanted to touch on how you add that $50 add-on. So once you start the contest, once you launch it, you're going to go into a page that looks something like we're going to my contest right now, and this is for Top Realtors Resource. This is the design that I I currently have. When you watch this video, I'll have created the logo, and you'll see it up on my website. This is a contest currently in progress, and this is what I did. Basically, you're just gonna go over here to the dollar amount. You're gonna click on the plus sign, and that's where you're gonna add your $50. So it's very simple, but and once you do that, any designers that you have currently, they will be notified, and designers will see that. But it's not working right now, but that's pretty simple once you go in there. So um, that's kind of how you set up your contest. I'm going to teach you some more tricks in the next video. So it should be a pop-up just following right here. But thank you for taking a look, and please let me know if you have any questions. Share some comments, and I'd be happy to respond.